Hello YouTube, we are back with another video. We are going to be going to Northwest River Park, a new park that I've never been to, so fingers crossed, hopefully it's good. I'll be doing something a little bit different with the videos. It's still going to be POV, but I want to add a little bit of like cinematic elements to it. I'm going to add some music in the background. Probably won't be talking as much, but I'll come like in and out. Either depending on the picture, I'll give my feedback, or I will say what I'm seeing before the picture and then take the picture. If that makes any sense, you'll see. I need feedback, so comment below if you like this style of video after you finish watching it. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG, DominicB_photography. It will be in the description below. We are going to be using the Canon EOS R. The lens will be in the description. And let's get straight into the video. I really like the composition these trees are making. just a quick check-in. It's actually nicer than I expected it to be. I think the pictures are coming out good so far. We haven't even did the trail yet, so I don't think we're anywhere close to being done. We might have maybe like 70 to 100 pictures by the time we leave, because we've just been taking pictures of the lake. But about to start the trail, so let's see what we can get. Get the trail in the back with a little bit of the river, obviously. Gotta find a way to get the bridge. Turn down, turn up the ISO a little bit. Not more than a little bit, actually. So 1/100 of a second, 4.0 aperture, 320 ISO. Turn down the ISO this time. I feel like we have to do a bridge picture. I'm not really, maybe. We'll do it. I don't know where we're headed to next, but it seems like it's a bit of a dead area. I don't really want to say dead area, but nothing really to photograph. So decided to, I guess, talk, slowing down a little bit on the pictures, but I think we'll go back to another place that has plenty of pictures for us to take. So I think it'll pick back up, and yeah, let's continue. No, it's okay. Sometimes it's better with people in it, so it's okay. I said sometimes it's better with people in it, so it's okay. I think I found the composition. I really love when there's this moss with the roots coming out. So what I think I'm gonna do is start heading back to the front. Might take a little bit more pictures along the way. Who knows? I'm gonna see if I can get over to the other side of the lake where like they put in the canoes to see if I can get some pictures of that. And we will end this video. So let's see if I can get some more photos. And we are back in the vehicular device. We took a few more pictures, as you saw. We saw a freaking owl. I don't have a zoom lens though, so I should really carry my zoom lens on me, but it's just so heavy. Like the bag would be so heavy if I carried it with me, and it was already a struggle to do. So I took a picture of the owl. You'll see the picture either right now or like earlier in the video, but I couldn't get a good one. At least I think I couldn't get a good one. But anyways, that lesson learned, I need to buy a zoom lens. So before we get out of here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow IG DominiB_photography. Let me know how you enjoyed this video, or if you dislike this video, just let me know in the comments below. And I will see you in the next video.